We are replacing a mirror on a 2011 Ford Focus. We need to remove this panel right here called the flag panel. Now on this sail piece, be careful when you remove it. These pieces that hold it on are not too strong and they could break, so you got to be careful on that. Next we need to remove this electrical connector from that panel. Next we have to remove the door panel from the door. First we have to remove this panel right here. Under that panel we will find a T30 screw. We got to remove that. There is the screw. Next we need to pop this switch cover up. Under that switch we'll find two electrical connections, and we'll remove those. There is a T30 right here. We're going to remove that. Next we're going to remove this cover on the grab handle. Get that out of the way. In the grab handle area right here, we'll find some T30 headed screws. We need to remove those. Here is the bolt that is in that handle area. On the side of the door panel we'll find this little access cover right here. And there is a Phillips head screw, and we need to remove that now. On the bottom of the door we'll find this Phillips head screw. We need to remove that. And this one over on this side. Now we have to pop the cover off the door with our panel remover. Okay, we can leave it right there. We pop the cover off the door, so now we can get at all the bolts that hold the mirror on. We have this one here, this one, and this one, these three right here. First we're going to remove our electrical connection from the mirror. Just like that. Next we have to remove these three 10mm headed bolts that hold the mirror on. Here's the last one. Now there's nothing left holding the mirror on, so it'll come right off. And to replace our mirror, all we have to do is to reverse our steps from this point, and we'll have replaced our mirror on our Ford Focus.